They started as jokes, but now they're worth billions. From Dogecoin to Shiba Inu to the latest trending tokens, meme coins have taken over the crypto world. But what's really behind the hype? Are meme coins the next big opportunity, or just digital lottery tickets? In this video, we'll break down how the meme coin market works, why it's booming, and what investors need to know before diving in. Stay till the end, because understanding meme coins could save or make you a fortune. 1. What exactly are meme coins? Meme coins are cryptocurrencies that started as internet jokes or cultural memes. Unlike Bitcoin or Ethereum, they don't always have strong fundamentals or unique technology behind them. The first meme coin, Dogecoin, was launched in 2013 as a parody of Bitcoin. Its mascot, a Shiba Inu dog, became a symbol of fun and community-driven crypto culture. But here's the twist: the joke turned into a multi-billion-dollar project, fueled by social media and celebrity support, especially from Elon Musk. Since then, thousands of meme coins have emerged, like Shiba Inu Pepe, Floki Bonk Dogwifat, and many more, each riding waves of online hype. 2. Why meme coins exploded in popularity? So what made meme coins go viral? 3 key reasons. A community power: meme coins thrive on passionate online communities. Reddit, X, Twitter, and Telegram groups create viral trends overnight. The stronger the community, the higher the hype, and sometimes the price. B. Low entry barrier. Most meme coins are extremely cheap per token, letting small investors feel like early adopters. You can buy millions of coins for just a few dollars, and that emotional connection drives FOMO, fear of missing out. Social media and influencers: meme coins are built on virality. A single tweet, meme, or endorsement can skyrocket prices overnight. But the same hype can vanish just as fast. 3. The opportunity turning hype into profit. Despite being risky, meme coins have created life-changing profits for some investors. Think of Shiba Inu, SHIB. It turned a $100 investment in 2020 into millions by 2021. Or Pepe coin, which grew over 10,000% in a few weeks after launch. These massive gains happen because meme coins spread fast across communities. When demand spikes, early investors often make huge profits. Early entry and timely exit are everything. Meme coins reward timing, not patience. 4. The risks you can't ignore. Before you ape into any meme coin, understand this. For every success story, there are hundreds of failures. Here are the biggest risks. 0 fundamentals. Most meme coins have no clear utility roadmap or team transparency. They rely purely on community hype. Once that fades, prices collapse. B. Rug pulls and scams. Many meme coins are created overnight, and some are designed to trick investors. Developers can rug pull by draining liquidity and disappearing with the funds. C. Extreme volatility. Prices can rise 500% one day and crash 90% the next. Without discipline, it's easy to lose everything chasing quick profits. 5. How to trade smart in the meme coin market. If you're planning to participate in the meme coin craze, do it strategically. Here's how. Research before buying. Check the coin's website, white paper, and social media. If it's full of promises and no real team, walk away. Watch community engagement. Strong and active online communities often sustain a project's momentum. 3. Use small capital. Never invest money you can't afford to lose. Take profits early. Set clear targets, like selling 25% after doubling your investment. Don't get greedy. Meme coins crash as fast as they rise. 6. The future of meme coins. Believe it or not, the meme coin market is evolving. Some new meme coins are adding utility, such as gaming integrations, NFTs, or staking rewards to move beyond pure speculation. Projects like Dogecoin are exploring real-world payments, while Shiba Inu is building its own ecosystem called Shibarium. This blend of humor, community, and innovation could shape the next phase of crypto culture. Let's recap what we've learned. Meme coins are powered by hype, community, and social media, not strong fundamentals. They can deliver massive profits, but also massive losses. Smart investors treat them as speculative plays, not long-term investments. Always research, diversify, and protect your capital. The golden rule? Don't invest emotionally, invest strategically. The meme coin market reflects the wild side of crypto, where culture meets finance and memes can move millions. It's fast, unpredictable, and often ridiculous, but it's also a reminder of how powerful online communities have become in shaping markets. If you want to play the meme coin game, play smart, study trends, control your risk, and never chase hype blindly. Because in the world of meme coins, one viral moment can change everything, but only for those who know when to enter and when to exit. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more insights into crypto, investing, and digital trends. Stay informed, stay strategic. And remember, memes might be fun, but your money isn't a joke.